This video will show you a way to easily cite your sources. Remember, it's important to cite sources to give credit to the sources you're using, since that information isn't your own original thoughts. So, something that we'll go through on this page, I'm going to see if you can see here on the binders, I'm at the Citing Sources tab. When you watch this, the video that you're watching will be located right in here. One thing I'm going to do is go ahead and talk you through how to use this website over here called EasyBib. So if I go ahead and click on this website, it brings me to EasyBib here. And what this does, this creates the different citations for you to use. If you look up here, there are all different types of citations that we can use. In our class and throughout most of your schooling, you will be using what is right here, which is MLA 8, which is just the newest version. Every time you open this site, it should automatically come up for MLA 8, but just make sure that it is always the one that is bold and underlined. The next thing that you'll see website, book, video, film, journal, database, bunch of different things. So you have to then go through and figure out which source you're using that you need to cite. Let's go ahead and use our example that we did for our notes page, where we were using this website here, Ducksters. So the way that you use this, if you go up to the top and copy this address here, then go over to EasyBib. This is a website, so under website, I'm going to go ahead and paste it and click Cite It. The next thing will come up, if it is a website that it recognizes, right here it will pull up and you can click Cite This. And this page here goes through and says, hey, we found this information about the website or your source. Here's what we're not really sure about. Let's just click Continue to Final Step. This will be something that we work on at a later date where we can go through and I can show you how to find this information on the website. For this project, we're just going to use whatever information they are able to give us because it will still give credit to that source. So if you click Create Citation, right here it says, hooray, here's your new citation, and it gives it the information here. If you click Copy and Paste Citation, it will say it's copied. Then on your note sheet, if you remember, I scrolled to the very bottom and I put a letter A because it was my first source. Over in Citation, I can now paste it. And now anytime I use the letter A, that's meaning that I'm using this website here on that Sioux Native American tribe. Okay? So you can go through and you'll do that for any of the things that you have. If you have a book, you'll put in the title of the book that you're using, or you can put in the ISBN number. Same thing for if it's an online video or URL, just copy and paste it. One note that I will say, if you use the videos on the Binders site, which are over here, it's the Virginia Trekkers, because it gives you an online link, I would go ahead and use this under the website case there. And then you will also be able to do your database here. But like with anything, if you have any questions about how to cite your sources to make sure that you're on the right track, please feel free to stop by and we can help you with that.